I'll be going over my AquaClear 70 power filter. So this is my 55-gallon fish tank that I have 2 of these filters on. As you can see, the leaves in my fish tank are just covered with, fish food left over, fish poop, you name it. So this is how I know when it's time to clean my filters. I just look at the leaves, and if I see that my filters are not picking it up, then it's time to clean the filters. And if you look at the filters here, you can see that, there's crap in there as well, and we want to clean all that out. So this is the first filter that I have, and then on the other side I have another one. Even though this is a 55-gallon fish tank, I do have 2 of the 70 filters, so technically I have 140 gallons worth of filtration for a 55-gallon tank. Here you see I'm just cleaning out this filter. This is the main amazing point for this filter. You don't have to buy new cartridges. You don't have to spend more money than you once do when you first purchase the filter. You literally just take everything into the sink and you wash everything really, really nicely. I have a designated toothbrush that's old. We don't use it anymore, so I just use that to clean my filter, and it works great. There's a sponge in there, so literally you just wash it out and you just continue rinsing, squeezing it out until the water's all clear. So again, just wash every single nook and cranny of that filter. After it's all washed, you literally just put it all back together, piece by piece, just how you took it apart. After that's done, you just put it back in the tank, and I plugged it in, and you have to add water in there to start the cycle to get the power going. So I add the water, make sure it's overflowing, and then I just wait for the pump to finish the job there. As soon as it goes, you can put the lid back on, and that side is done. So I just cleaned both of the filters. It literally doesn't take more than 10 minutes to literally clean out one filter. So in total it takes about 30 minutes for both filters. So you see the filtration is going so much better. The filter itself is just throwing out so much faster, so it'll clean up all the crap in the water. Then the last thing I do is I actually fill up the fish tank. So you see here, I'm just going back and forth and adding water. I don't use any special water. Literally tap water works just fine. My fish are really hardy, so I don't have to worry anything about that. So yeah, I just add more water, and again, I do this only after I change the filters. I clean the filters, so then the filters are clean and they'll pick up whatever debris my adding water adds into the water. So you see here the water's added, and then the filters are working right here. It got all the crap out of the plants. It's all in the water mixed in. The filters will pick that up, and then overnight it should clear up by morning. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, you guys.